Welcome back to another video, guys. My cousins is trying to die, I think. Ooh, it gonna explode. Or is it? It's gonna explode? Oh! It exploded, y'all. It exploded. Ooh! Let's zoom in all the way. It was far from. Wait. Y'all gonna smoke up the area. You see? Ooh! That was lame. That was lame. Ooh, they trying to die. Ooh, for real. Ooh. Ooh. They're called a smoke. That's so stank.
Hey, go with it. Go. Hey.
I think they're trying to die. Y'all trying to die? Oh God. You lighting up. You lighting up.
No, you're not supposed to open it. You're supposed to.
Wait.
The green thing right there.
I don't know what they're doing. Wait, if it shoots towards the car, we dead. Yo, my man be trying it. I heard that.
They're not cuss words. We are black. Oh, my cat.
Ooh. Ooh. Yo, you better chill before I die. You better.
It's gonna blow. No, it's not.
It might blow on you, bruh.
Okay. It's not gonna blow. I know what this is. What it doing? It's just sparking. As soon as you reach the end, it's gonna stop. Right here. Let me see the light.
Ooh. That's no style for real. My boy. My man is trying to die today.
This guy. She wildin', bro.
What? This for YouTube?
You in the 6th grade?
Yes. I had a YouTube channel.
I can tell you in the 6th grade.
How can you tell?
Come here.
Oh.
You like a child. Still in your prime.
I ain't trying to die.
Be young while you can. It's gonna end eventually.
My sister 22.
Your sister? I like your sister.
You remember Destiny still?
Huh?
Destiny?
Yeah.
This is going on YouTube for my channel. Trying to get to probably 20 subscribers now. I'm only going for a low thing because if you go high, you might just not make it.
You're not supposed. You just messed it up, bro. How about do it? You're supposed to just light it. It's not working.
Bro, light the thing up.
Leave it on there.
See? It's sparking. Bruh.
Not ain't.
Keep on lighting it.
You more hard-headed nigga. I gotta admit, bro.
You harder hair than me. Mostly. My man done ooh, there we go. Look, it changing colors, y'all. It changing colors. Ooh.
Stop. Oh, God, no. What am I finna do? Oh, God, I'm gonna let you. Just let me see it. Come here.
He trying to kill me with it.
Scared.
I ain't trying to die. Oh my God. Man, you chilling. That's the toxic for real. Yo, hold up. Let me see. Ooh, what? Yo.
Oh, God.
Oh, no, bro. Hold on. Let me see. Oh, I did not see that. I think that broke.
How you do it?
I think you might have hold it like a gun or something. Ooh.
Okay.
Ooh. I don't die. Wait, y'all aiming it to my scooter.
You drop it like that. You're not gonna be that close. This close, right here.
Ooh.
Drop it. No. Leave it. It's gonna pop. It's gonna pop. What happened?
You told me.
What happened? You told me. Walk towards the. I don't think it's gonna pop. Yeah, it's not.
Yeah, she's gonna stay. Y'all sticking out the driveway.
It's not gonna fall.
Dang.
Look at it. Look at it.
Wait. Hold on. Wait. Pause. Wait. What it gonna do? Oh. Dang. That was
Dude,
lame.
it's so black.
Y'all burning the driveway for real.
Not the cars.
What is? Oh my God, that scared the heck out of me. Yo, they trying to die. Oh, I swear to God. Hold up, let me zoom in on that. It don't last for long. I don't think it did. Nah, bro. It don't even last for long. That came out and that is going out. Y'all trying to die for real. Bruh. Hold up, let me see. My cousins be trying to die. What? Huh? Nah, I'm not trying to die. I mean, I held it before.
This is sparkling.
Fine, I'll try one.
Sparkling. You gotta hold it. I forget. I can hold it. I'm gonna hold it with you, okay?
Oh my God.
Hold on, quick. There we go.
Just hold it.
Just hold it around, spin it around.
It ain't gonna do nothing. The smoke will come out. Hey, I need a bottle. So that both can run three straight. Watch out. Bombs away.
Bombs away. Yo, this thing just be lying. Ooh.
Wait a minute.
Oh, they got little sparkles. Wait, where'd it go? Oh, it went by the car. I think it went by the car.
No, it didn't.
I swear I saw something like go near it. It burned out.
It wasn't going out.
I'm good. I'm like, what y'all doing with that?
Decent. Point it that way.
Yeah, go point it that way.
Come on. Let's go ahead and do it. Come on.
Let's see if it shoot. Let's see if it shoots up in the air, y'all.
That way. Come on, that way.
There you go. Oh, light it.
It's gone, bro. It ain't gone. It ain't gonna light up. It's gone. All right, let's see if it shoots up to the air, y'all. Let's see.
It's not gonna shoot.
Might just shoot.
Yeah, not gonna shoot.
Did it catch?
I don't think it did.
You should have pulled it out some more. It was too far in. Here. I got another. Don't put it all the way in.
I think if you pull like, hold up. They got another one, y'all. Shout out and then shout out. Listen. Oh, they will shoot up this. Oh my
It
lord!
didn't even go that far.
Yo, guys, that be scaring me to death. And my phone about to die. This thing at 13%. It better die. It better die. Are you here to smell this, guys? This smell bad.
Yes, sir, we are.
Yeah. It smells so bad.
That's all right with you. We let her do one part.
It smells so bad. Granddaddy, I was wondering about a tip. Each time we look at y'all, he be looking like, if y'all do something, I'm gonna kill him. But
Look.
my cousin be spinning that around. Oh my God. Ooh!
Okay. That's all right, man. Just keep it.
That other metal part that y'all. Well, my hair's kind of protected right now because of this.
Don't talk bad.
I'm always saying that to you.
You want another one?
Nah, but I'm good. My phone about to die, guys. So I'll see y'all for another video, I guess. I'm gonna add an intro to this. I'll add an intro after intros to probably another video. It lit up again. I'll see y'all next time. Oh, they got two of them actually. Before I go, actually, let me record both of them. If this is at night, this would have been way more cooler. It went out fast. All right, now for real, guys, I'm gonna go now. See you later. Peace out.